How to create Scratch account. It's Isaac the Coder here. So today I'm going to teach you how to make a Scratch account. So go to Chrome or any browser you have and type in scratch.mit.edu and press search. It's loading. It's loading. So you tap this one that says Scratch, Imagine, Program and Share. So click on it. It's loading. It's loading. It's loading. So now it's come. So you press join. That means you want to join Scratch. So any valuable information that you want to get, they will send it to you. So press join. It's loading. It's loading. It's gonna come. It's loading. So now as you can see it's come. So they said create a username. So type in what you want to use. So me now is then create a password. I'm not going to show you mine. Keep it a secret. So the rocks type it again just to be sure you know it. Press next. So select the country you live in. So me, I live in Nigeria. So I'm gonna look for it. Found it. So tap next. Then when were you born? Say month where you were born and the year where you were born. Then press next. So to ask you what's your gender, it's going to be private. So choose whether you're female or male. Then what's your email address? Type in one. So if you want to send things, ideas, events and more, you tap on this. So I'm sending notifications. Sorry about that. Create time. So it's loading. Now that's it. So welcome to Scratch. So you're now logged in and you're ready to start creating. So you press get started. So it's gonna show you this. So now you can start creating projects and do what you like. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.